Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, another one of my hobbies is buying old kitchen knives with a wooden handle, refurbishing them, and giving them away as gifts. Now, I've been looking for a good knife sharpener, and I purchased this one. It's called the V-Sharp. This is classic number 2. I'll give you a little close-up of this. Now, I purchased this at a outdoor show that was here in the Atlanta area, and I paid $99 for this knife sharpener. And of course, after I purchased it, I found them on eBay for $79. But anyway, let me show you what I have here. Let me show you why I bought this thing, why I like it. It's not the best on the market, but for an entry-level knife sharpener that is semi-great quality, I'm going to show you why I like this, why I don't like it. Stay tuned. I appreciate you watching. Here is the box for the Classic 2 V-Sharp and the other items that came in the box here. This is the business card for the distributor I use. Comes with a CD and a brochure of the Warthog sharpeners, what they have. Anyway, this is what comes in the kit, as well as the V-Sharp knife sharpener. It does come with 2 grits. It's a 350 grit and a very fine grit for doing finishing work. Made out of metal. Let's see here. Metal. Very strong, well-built machine. You see how the sharpener slide like this. It has a little knob up here so you can hold it while you're sharpening, which is right here. You just hold this right here while you're sharpening. Spring loaded. Springs on the bottom here to pull back the sharpeners. Springs on the top right here. Okay, the main way to use this, let me pull these out of the way. If you have your knife, these are 2 of the knives I'm previously working on, not previously, but in the process of working on. Rebuilding these knives and going to be remodeling these, not remodeling, I'm going to be revitalizing these handles here, making them pretty again. Now if you notice, these knives, this one is just a straight steel, straight down to the edge. This one has a 2-part. This one's flat and this one has the angle. So what you do is just slide it where the knife, let's say to get that, is against the wall right here, the side. Just put it against the side. Now on this knife, you would have to put the blade, not the blade, the angled part against the wall, such as this. You don't want to put the flat part of the knife against the wall. You put the angled part against the wall. And let me turn it this way so I can hold on to it. You just bring it down like this, making sure that the blade is against the wall. It is on, have the 350 grit. Now this sharpens both sides of the blade at one time. There's a diamond stone on this side and on this side. Very easy process, so every time your angles are going to stay the same. Put it in a groove, slide back. There we go. Like this. That's the basic way you have to sharpen knives. Now, these sharpeners, these stones here, are reversible. I just pop it out. You can turn it around just like this. Put the fine side in. that's one feature of this. And I'll show you something else down here. Let me connect this back up. I'll leave this off for a second. If you notice, it might be hard to read right here, but it has 30, 25, and 20 degrees of the sharpener. So with kitchen knives, you want to start out with 20 degrees. Depending on which kind of knives you have, you'd want to move up into the angles, such as I think the honey knives go at a 30 degrees. So once you figure out which degree angle you want, you just slide this onto here. Let's go this way. Just slide this sharpener on. Here we go. I'm going to set it at 20 degrees. Correct? And then at the top, right here, you'll notice this pin and the sharpening has like a little place there where it just pops into this hook right here. I'll just call that a hook. You can see how this other side is set into here. Let's see, there we go. There we go. So that's a very easy process. Also, that's the 350 and fine cutting edges. And then also available, I have this 600 and 800 grit. There's a 600 and 800 on each side of one of these. So these are just accessories that you can get to go with your V-Sharp. I find this a very useful tool. Very easy to sharpen my knives. Really doing a lot with these old kitchen knives I'm refurbishing. Really doing a good job with those. V-Sharp Classic 2 Wolverine. It does come in different colors. I know there was black, silver, red, blue, and I think there was a white also. I think you'd like this thing if you bought it. I don't think you can go wrong. It's not a cheap knife sharpener, but it's not one of the more expensive ones either. Check this out. If you get a chance to see one, check these out. I'm sure you'll like it. For a price between $80 and $100, depending on where you buy it from, I don't think you can go wrong with this. Now, the extra stones here, or bars, I'll just call these bars, extra bars here, I think these were $40 for the pair. I don't know how long these are going to last, but we'll give it a shot. Anyway, I do appreciate watching. If you have one of these, leave some comments in the section below. Let us know how you like it, what you do like about it, what you don't like about it, how many times you used it, just whatever. Leave a comment in the section below. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.